My name is Willita Bush. I'm from St. Louis, Missouri. I'm a victim of family court corruption and civil rights violations. My daughter was unlawfully taken from me by my ex, and he had never established paternity. He had never, no court had ever established the fact that he was the father of my child. And the judges on the case was Judge Thomas Feltz and Judge Craig Bombay in Fort Wayne, Indiana, Allen Circuit Court. They issued orders ex parte without my presence, without properly notifying me of proceedings, and without any evidence in the record at all. And despite that, they allowed him to take the child, my child Amaya, to Illinois without providing an address, without giving me any notice, statutory notice, and anything of that sort. I was also a victim of civil rights violation in the federal civil court, case number 410-CV00544. I was retaliated against by St. Louis County government after I reported theft that occurred on their property. That I was conspired against. I was terminated in retaliation for reporting the theft. And then after that, I filed a lawsuit in federal court, and I was prevented civilly from the opportunity to be heard. The judges issued orders despite the fact that they didn't file an answer on time to the complaint. They didn't. She issued orders without providing notice to me. They basically, pretty much was able to obtain a summary judgment, even though there was omissions pretty much in the record. They didn't dispute any of my affidavits at all. They didn't oppose many of my motions that I filed, and I submitted pretty much every point that an attorney or would-be attorney will be required to file, and I did everything that I was supposed to do, and they did not allow my right to be heard. I was prevented from fully and fairly prosecuting my case, even though my rights in both of these cases were pretty clear. I think the civil justice systems need to be reformed immediately. They fail to protect citizens. I think attorneys need oversight because they are able to communicate with judges despite the fact that the other party may be or may not be represented. And I think that pretty much it is unfair at this time, and a lot of citizens are being deprived of their rights unlawfully.